land of the rising sun where our ancestors dream, in the heart of the east where the palm trees stand tall. We remember the scars from the wars that were fought. For justice and freedom, we gave it our all. The chains of oppression still bind us today. Marginalized voices cry out in the night. But the spirit of Biafra will never fade away. We rise from the ashes, ready to fight. Oh, Biafra, land of freedom, hear the cry of your people, strong and true. Rise up, world, and stand with us. Support the dawn of Biafra anew. All hail Biafra, in the rising sun's light. Freedom is calling, we'll claim our rights. World, hear our plea, join the fight for the free. Biafra shall rise forever to be. From the rivers to the hills, our blood runs so deep. Igbo hearts beating strong through the pain and the strife. We voted in millions for self-rule to keep, yet silenced by force, denied our own life. No more sitting in shadows, no more chains to endure. We seek peaceful paths to our sovereign shore. The half-rising sun on our flag waves pure, a symbol of hope that we can't ignore. Oh, Biafra, land of freedom, hear the cry of your people, strong and true. Rise up, world, and stand with us. Support the dawn of Biafra anew. All hail Biafra, in the rising sun's light. Freedom is calling, we'll claim our right. World, hear our plea, join the fight for the free. Biafra shall rise forever to be. Nations of the world, from near and from far, see our struggle for justice under the same sky and star. Support self-determination, let our voices be heard. Stand against injustice, spread the word. We march not with weapons,